Welcome to this instructional video showcasing a flange installation of the WaStop non-return valve from Wapro. Clean out the hose pipe and inspect for irregularities inside the pipe. Position the WaStop non-return valve with the spine of the membrane upwards, where the flow direction in the shape of an arrow, as well as the text "this side up" is noted on the label of the valve. Mark out the position of the bolt holes, remove the valve, and proceed to drill holes at the marked positions. Place appropriate size concrete anchor bolts to the pre-drilled holes according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Apply an appropriate sealant material or a flange gasket supplied from Wapro and push the flange firmly against the mounting surface.